The organic movement as a movement's been going on since about 1940 when Sir Albert Howard came back from India where he was an agricultural agent, and he ended up learning a lot more than he ended up teaching. And he learned that the traditional agriculture in India used composting of agricultural wastes as a way of maintaining fertility in the soil. And they found that when they kept the organic matter of the soil up, it made for a very different kind of plant health, and it was his opinion ultimately the health of the animals that lived off those plants and the health of the humans that lived off those plants. I think in that traditional understanding of organic, the fact that you weren't using a lot of pesticides was a result of how you grew the plant. It was a result of the health rather than the cause of the health. And the basis of that health was managing the organic matter, and that's why it came to be called organic farming. This is not something that is particular to organic farmers. All farmers in the world know that organic matter in the soil is important. It's just that organic farmers consider it to be central, and if they're going to survive not using pesticides, not using fungicides, then they have to do a good job of managing the organic matter. And as this organic matter breaks down, many different microbes and little creatures live off it. It's a food source, and in essence, an organic farmer is a livestock farmer. They're raising a large and very diverse herd of life forms that live in the soil. As a result of the very complex interactions of all this soil life, and a result of the interactions between the soil life and the roots themselves, they're part of that ecosystem, the traditional belief was that the plant ended up growing in a much healthier way. The traditional motto of organic farming was to feed the soil, not the plant. And the idea was that if you did a good job of encouraging and stewarding this life in the soil, the life in the soil would feed the plant.